Do you know that you can use your Android device as an SMS gateway? If not, then you must be struggling to send messages individually and wasting too much time. Leave that old process behind. We are living in the era of technology, and with the right tool, we can send thousands of SMS with different campaigns. And to use this tool, you don't even need to install any software on your computer. We are happy to introduce you to SMSrush.net, which gives you the power to send bulk messages directly from its dashboard. Here are some unbeatable features of SMSrush: Android integration, API key, auto-responding, SMS scheduling, and bulk SMS campaigns. SMSrush is known for marketing tools, flexibility, and efficiently smart. Our team is always ready to help you out. You don't need to worry about anything. Get instant answers to all queries by 24/7 customer support helpline. Don't lose this opportunity. Visit smsrush.net and join today.